Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the currency in Shopify step by step. So this can be useful if you want your store to use a different currency for your pricing, or if you're just adjusting your store for customers in another region. So to get started, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from there, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click settings. Once the settings page opens, select general from the menu on the left. So this section contains some of the main settings for your Shopify store. Next, scroll down until you find the store defaults section. So here you should see the currency that your store is currently using. Beside the currency setting, click the three dot icon to open more options, then choose change currency. After that, you'll see the store currency drop down menu. Click the drop down and select the currency that you want to use for your store. Choose the option that best fits how you want your prices to appear for your customers. And once you've selected the new currency, make sure to click save so that Shopify can apply the change. And after saving, your store currency will be updated to the option you selected. And that is how you can change the currency in Shopify. The process is simple and it gives you more control over how your store displays its prices. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.